Welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Kindle Fire. Now make sure that the Kindle is powered off. So once it comes on, I will power it back off and continue with the steps. Power off. Now locate the volume down and the power button. Press the volume down and the power button together. Once it comes on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume down. Once you see this screen, scroll down to Reset Factory Defaults. Press the power button to select it. Scroll down, erase everything. Press the power button to do that. And as you can see, it's erasing everything on the Kindle. Once this is complete, everything on the Kindle, all personal information apps will be erased. You would just have to set it up again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.